Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a working duplicate of the image so you never overwrite the original, and you'll thank yourself later. Next, zoom to a comfortable level and outline the crowd clusters you want gone. Think in groups of 3-5 areas, not individual people. Pick your main tool now: Content Aware for backgrounds, Healing Brush for textures, Clone Stamp when perspective matters, and set hardness and size roughly to 1.52 times the average subject width to blend smoothly. Once you've chosen a tool, start removing the nearest crowd first so background patches remain coherent. You'll fill large areas with content-aware fill and then refine. Make short strokes and sample frequently. When texture repeats or lines misalign, switch to Clone Stamp to preserve structure, then soften with Healing Brush. Work on separate layers and set brush opacity around 30–50% so you can build natural transitions. This approach preserves depth and avoids the patched, artificial look. Finalize by checking edges, perspective, and lighting so the filled areas match the scene. You'll use levels or curves to match contrast and color balance. For fine detail, apply frequency separation or a subtle dodge and burn to reintroduce texture. If you spot artifacts, don't panic. Undo the last few strokes, switch to the patch tool with source set to content aware, or resample a cleaner source area and reapply. Make small iterative fixes until nothing draws attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.